It's called the City of Angels, California's center of imagination, creativity, ambition, and invention, where dreams rise up like its palm trees, and stories go from inspiration to ideas to moving images on screens big and small all over the world. While the Flames have taken so much, its people, citizens, first responders, and so many others have given even more, proving that in LA, yes, there are most definitely angels among us. And this city will always shine like a beacon, calling out to everyone to share in the love.